National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Fayette County, east central Macon County, until 4 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Long Creek, or near Decatur, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Cerro Gordo around 3:30 p.m.